Hi, my name's Dan. I'm a former student on the CRIW apprenticeship with CRIW. I joined the apprenticeship when I was 38 as a career change from being a manager in Tesco. I'd studied film back in college and uni and always wanted to pursue it. And it's turned out to be the best decision I've ever made. I would not have been as confident doing it without a program like CRIW and getting the help and support from CRIW. There wasn't a week that I wasn't in a position on a production somewhere. In my year with CRIW, I worked post-production with Gorilla. I did a Channel 4 series called 4 Stories. I worked on a Disney production called Black Cake. I did an ITV drama called Until I Kill You, and since I've left, I've worked on Casualty. I've worked on a Ben Wheatley Channel 4 drama called Generation Z, Doctor Who, and I'm currently shooting a feature film for Craig Roberts called The Scurry. If you were to ask me, I would say that if you're looking for a career change and you were thinking about high-end film TV, amongst other things, the CRIW apprenticeship should be your first port of call. Like I said, I wouldn't be here without it, and I can't recommend it highly enough. Good luck.